So next is conditions required for combustions. So conditions which are necessary for combustion is most of the important things, supporter of combustion and non-supporter of combustion. Before understanding the condition, we need to know about the important thing ki which conditions, which particular conditions are supporting the combustion and which are not supporting the combustion. So in case of supporter of combustion, oxygen is very, very important, because you guys remember that when we have started combustion, I have told you, because before the combustion we have done that the substance which is undergoing this combustion is require oxygen for that combustion. In presence of oxygen that is undergoing the combustion, so oxygen is going to play very, very important role here. So oxygen required for burning. When the supply of oxygen off, substance stop burning. If substance is not getting oxygen, so that kind of time what happens, that substance stop burning, then combustion will be stopped over here. If particular source is getting proper supply of oxygen, then it will be supporting combustion. If supporter of combustion is oxygen, if that is cut off if we can going to cut off the supply of oxygen to that particular substance, then that will be going to stop the combustion. Another, the oxygen is the supporter of combustion. And if we talk about non-supporter of combustion, gases के case में substances does not allow burning. The some gases which are very common and they are not going to support the combustion. So that is hydrogen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. So they are not going to support the combustion. They are going to put off the combustion. वो क्या करेंगे? They are helping into stop the combustions. So that's why they are called as non-supporter of combustion.